Consequences of heteroscedasticity. So with heteroscedasticity, our OLS estimators are still linear and unbiased, but the variance of the OLS estimators are no longer minimum. So meaning that our estimators are no longer best, linear unbiased estimated, no longer BLUE, blue. And when we say not minimum, meaning that it's not efficient. Heteroscedasticity also invalidates variance formulas for the OLS estimators. So because of this, the usual F-test and T-test are not valid, whereby the T-stats and F-stats are unreliable. Since the T-stats and F-stats are unreliable, formulas for OLS standard errors and related statistics have been developed, whereby it will be robust to heteroscedasticity of unknown form, and all the formulas are valid in large samples. So the formula for the robust standard error is given here, whereby variance of beta j hat consists of the squared residuals from the regression and also the squared residuals from a regression of xj on other independent variables. So here, this is taken from Woolrich, and Woolrich is using SSR, which is the same as our RSS, which is the sum of squared residuals. So using these formulas, the usual t-test is now valid, and we can get this robust version of a standard error from any most of the software. So EViews will give you this robust standard error once you choose or click to white standard errors. To detect heteroscedasticity, there are two ways. One is the informal method, and the second one is the formal method, which consists all the statistical tests. So from the informal method, we are looking into the graph method or just the scatter plot. So what we can do is we can plot the estimated residuals UI hat or the squared residuals UI hat squared against the predicted dependent variable, which is the estimated Y, which is the Y hat, or any X variable that is thought to be closely associated with the sigma I. So from the graph, we need to observe whether there is a systematic pattern, and this is an example of there is a pattern, and yes, from here we can see that heteroscedasticity exists.